How much does the average person know about engineering and technical terminology? I want to find out. So I'm going to take a bunch of car parts and take them to the street. I'm going to take 4 car parts to be exact. And if they can name each single car part, I'll give them $100. Let's see what happens.
So my name is Karthika. I'm currently doing my undergraduate. My program is business management, majoring in law and business.
So my name is Mark Sami, and I'm studying electrical engineering. You said struggling.
Yeah, sure. My name is Andrew. I'm a law and business student at TMU.
Nice.
I just graduated from chemical engineering at Toronto Metropolitan University.
All right, so going around asking a bunch of people if they can name like common car parts just to see what the general population knows about engineering parts and car parts in general. All right, so I'll show you the first car part. First we got, I'll start off easy if you want, but what do you think this is? What do you think this is?
I think I actually know what this is.
Something with the mortar?
This is supposed to be easier.
Yeah.
Jeez Louise. I don't think I've ever seen the inside of a car.
Can I take him out? Yeah. It helps slow down the car.
Brakes.
Yes, that's actually really close.
Okay.
So this goes inside of one of the wheels, and in our wheels we have rotors. So this applies friction on a rotor to slow the car down. It's part of the brake system.
Pedal?
No.
Is this like the brake?
It is part of the brake, but it's a brake something.
Brake pad?
Yes.
It looks very dirty, and I think it probably a lot of friction happens here. So I'm gonna guess brake pad. Yeah.
Brake pad?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll give that one to you. Brake pad.
Is this the brake pad?
Yeah.
Is this one of the brake pads?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay. All right.
You got it right away.
Yeah. I got disc brakes on my bike.
What do you think this is? You can take it out as well as the bag if you want.
Oh, son of a gun.
I feel like this is a piston. Is this a part of the engine? Like moves up and down?
Is it another controller?
No.
Does this spin at all?
No.
It's very heavy.
I don't know. It's a cylinder.
Yeah.
Does it start with gas?
Yeah.
It feels like something to do with fuel.
Is it like an injector?
Is it a fuel injector?
It's part of the fuel system of the car. It moves fuel from one area to the engine. Think about your classes back in the day, right? When you wanted to move fluid from one area to another, what do you use? What moves fluid from one area to another?
A pipe?
Let's say you have a water well, right?
Yeah.
And you want to bring water up to put it in a bucket. What does that? What do you call the equipment that brings water up and puts it in a bucket? Okay, but what pushes fluid from one area to another?
A pump?
Okay.
Just a fuel pump?
Yeah.
A gas pump.
Yes.
That's what it is.
What does this
Is
move?
this the gas pump?
It's fuel something, not fuel pump. Yeah.
Gas pump?
Yeah.
Gas pump?
That's what it is.
Okay.
I'll give you this one next. This third one. What do you think this is? What do you think this is? You can take it out of the bag if you want. Oh. What do you think this is?
I feel like this is like a part of the brake.
Oh, shit, eh?
Oh yeah, this I have no idea. Actually, maybe I do.
I feel like if you were to compress it, it would help like slow the car down, and then when you release, then it like expands the spring again.
Just because of the coils, I would say like something to do with suspension.
Is that
I don't know if I would do that. That's not cheating, but I don't know if that's clean, like that clean
I've done worse.
to put your mouth on it.
I've done worse.
Wow.
Does it
Looks like it opens a door, like closes or opens a door.
No.
No.
control how much air is going in?
No, it controls how much something else is going in, but not air. Coolant.
Mixture? Coolant. Okay.
Basically, what this does is this takes in coolant and it cools down the engine. So it controls the temperature of the engine.
Okay.
And coolant obviously cools down the engine. Think about things that control the temperature of your house, your buildings, your Nest, your Ecobee, your Honeywell like thing. What are these called?
The cooler.
No.
The thermostat.
Yeah.
Beauty.
The thermostat.
Yes. You said it.
A thermostat?
Yeah, that's what it
This
is.
is a
A
thermostat?
yes.
No way.
In your house, what controls temperature?
The thermostat?
Yeah. Well, it controls the temperature of an engine.
Thermostat.
Thermostat, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, just tell me. It's not coming.
It's a thermostat.
Thermostat. Thermostat.
Yeah. What do you think this is? This is the last one.
Okay.
You get this right, you win $100.
All right, there's the pressure.
Something that spins.
Made in Canada. Love that.
I would guess it's something that like connects to the rim of a car or something, or the
Rim of
axle
a
area.
car. Okay.
Is this an axle? Like, I feel like it has to do with the wheel since it's rotating.
All right, so it's gonna drive a belt or something, or be driven.
I think it would be a wheel or like a belt that stays in here.
And that's nothing to do with the wheel. It is rotating though.
So I'm guessing like a belt of some sort goes on here.
Yeah.
Is it like a, I want to say drive shaft pulley?
I'm honestly not too sure.
So it's two words. Belt is one of the words.
I know where this is. Like this connects to the engine.
Yeah.
A belt, gear, transmission.
Belt isn't the word. It's
Belt-
a two word. It's a two word. Belt is the first word.
Is this those things where you see a video and the guy puts deodorant on it and it's quiet all of a sudden?
Normally in a car we have a belt that connects a bunch of systems in it, and over here you put a belt on top of it around this pulley.
A belt holder, a belt.
You're on the right track.
Belt clamp?
Think about words that keep things tight.
Tension belt?
You're on the right track.
What is good?
Belt tightener?
The friction belt, the tight belt, the wet belt.
Belt tensioner?
Yeah.
Tensioner?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Nice. That's three.
Oh, wow.
Tight is right. So but you don't call
Belt
it, what's a
tightener. Oh,
tight-
belt tensioner.
Yeah, that's it.
tightener. Oh,
you
beautiful.
got it.
Belt tensioner?
Yeah. Nothing? All right. This is a belt tensioner.
I'm not gonna lie, like some scenes in like Lightning McQueen really help.
Here you go.
amazing.
$100.
Thank you guys.
No
That's
worries.
awesome.
Congrats. Watching Lightning McQueen?
Yeah, like if they
There you
like,
go.
oh thank you. If they cut to like a piston or like the piston cup, you see that thing that like that I got wrong that like opens and closes.
Oh, yeah. That gave you some advice. Here you go.
Gorgeous. Thank you guys. What
Congrats.
company is it? Is that?
It's called Volta Energy.
Honestly, I can't believe I won. I know nothing about cars, but I think this was a true test of my engineering experience at Ryerson. So I guess they've taught me well. Also, shout out to my dad because he's taught me a lot of these things. So.
Nice.
I'll try my best next time.
Yeah. If you're hiring any engineers, maybe.
Give me a call.
I mean, you know,
Show your ring. Where's your ring?
I haven't graduated yet.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, I would get them all first try.
You're lacking, guys. Come on, you gotta get your ring.